Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. This channel is for educational purposes, and we check out great theories and concepts and discoveries that you might not be familiar with because they've been suppressed and they are somewhat difficult and difficult on your emotions and on your taxing on your mental brain power sometimes, along with being marginalized. And this is a segment that we have called Your Blind Side. And we look at um, protecting the six of some of the patriot diggers out there, the ones that are on the front lines, doing a lot of work, but maybe not seeing the big picture, or maybe dug into their rabbit hole a little too deep and not able to come out for air. And just giving you some heads ups about some things that might be uh, coming up, and just try to emphasize how important it is to be light on your feet at this point, um, and really don't get dug in, especially with partisan stuff, an us versus them mentality, and to kind of degrade or deride the normies, in that this is all stuff I need to listen to myself as well. But it's they're not these normies. They're not the enemy. Um, they are Stockholm syndrome, and they are kind of supporting the enemy, the globalists, the ones who actually are the conspirators and know what's going on, are the enemy. And they've been doing this to us for many thousands of years. Um, but they've managed to rope in a good portion of the population, under various guises, to support them unknowingly, or they don't know what they exactly are supporting, because they have all these platitudes and uh, pretend virtue signals that make it seem like they are all about fairness and justice and the right thing, and the rights of the little guy and all of that stuff. And most people aren't paying enough attention to discern uh, the fakery and all of that. Um, and that's very despicable. But um, at the same time, those people are the ones who are going to be the most angry when they figure out that they've been duped in this way and who they've been duped by. Then they will be your ally, because they will be jump started. Um, so I guess I just encourage more patience. And I have to say this to myself as well, because I'm running out of patience. Um, and so maybe this is for me. But we uh, need to maintain lightness on our feet. Be willing to shift and to move and not get dug in. And in particular, I think we need to shift and move in terms of uh, how we are engaged in this, because I don't believe that the current uh, news and the current drama of the info war is targeted for us. We have to a certain extent already graduated from this, and um, we don't need to see what's happening, because what's happening is like retarded. It's um, you know, quite foolishness, obviousness, and ridiculousness is all happening. Just that, um, and it's happening even on both sides. Both pretend sides. Um, you know, uh, this partisanness, this willingness to abandon principle for the sake of expedience, and to just be I'm on red team or blue team, and we got to win regardless of whether we do it the right way or the wrong way, or whether we go back on our principles or not. This is not time for that. Well, you know it's always the time for that, because if it's not the time for that now, then it won't be the time for that when you are actually implementing the stuff that you get to, if you win. And that is not um, really what we want, I don't believe. And in the same vein, I believe that we need to be light on our feet, because there are more red pills coming. Um, I think that I hear often people talking about, after I woke up, um, these people are asleep. I am, you know, uh, already awake. And that is just a misnomer. We are all waking up a little bit at a time, in punctuated equilibria, I guess. But, you know, if you think that you're already awake, you're missing the general ideas. There's I mean, I first started waking up like 40 years ago. And even still, just in the last year, there have been a bunch of red pills for me of continuing to wake up, you know. And if you're not open to that, if you're not looking for that, then you're not only doing yourself a disservice, but this whole movement is jeopardized by you, because you're not light enough on your feet. You're not, you dug in. Like, you have certain, just even hearing people, I challenge you to a debate about this, especially things about religion and stuff. I challenge you to a debate. That basically means that you've already dug in on a certain position, and you're not going to be moved. Now, I know debate is something that you do in high school or whatever, where, you're assigned a position and then you have to argue for that position. Well, that's not this. This is where you need to be loose enough to say, well, if you convince me otherwise, then I'm willing to change my position. But when you're saying I challenge you to a debate, it basically means that you're locked in and you're going to try to win, and that you're not going to change your position. And so I just feel like, um, that is a losing, um, stance, and that we're all going to be. This is going to wake us all up. It's not that just the normies are going to wake up, or just that a certain group of people are going to wake up. We all have a lot of waking up to do. Now, I know it's frustrating, and it's been very frustrating for me, in my personal life, that just, a lot of people just continue to ignore the things that I advise because I'm like some type of whack job or whatever, and that I don't know what I'm talking about, even though I'm the only one who's actually doing the research uh, in the, of the people that I'm talking about. Um, but at the same time, I also, know that I've got plenty of waking up to do as well as, all of them. And we're all in different places, and it's not a judgment where we are. It's just where wherever you are, you're just trying to move forward. And everybody's just trying to do that. And to have a little empathy for that point of view is something that I think we all need, including me. Okay. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and contribute. And we will see you next time. Thanks for tuning in today. And remember to watch your blind side.